Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day guys. Welcome back to another video about Tron TRX. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the price update of TRX. What's the price changes occur in the TRX, and guys, what will be the next move of TRX? Let me show you guys. Let's price predicate for TRX. Anyways, if you're new here, so kindly please don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos. At this time guys, if you talk about the current price of TRX Tron in the market, so as you can see here, 0.100879 USD dollar. That is the currently live and latest price of TRX in the market. Furthermore, other side, if we talk about the changes update of Tron, so now the last 1 hour update of TRX is positive 0.98%. The 1 hour update is completely positive, except of last 1 hour only. Yesterday the price of TRX were dumped for a short time, but don't worry, don't take this changes seriously guys. There is temporary changes. After some percent of time the price of TRX will pump, and again they will give you huge profit size, so never miss this opportunity guys. Anyways, if we talk about the last 1 week update, so you can see positive 1.63% the price pump in last 7 days. You know what, now my prediction about TRX is that guys, that I believe that for a long time I continue this pump. And you know what, for short time prediction is that guys, that in the last week of October the price of TRX will highly pump. So just hold guys, just hold for a long time. It's profit opportunity, never miss this opportunity guys. I suggest for all of my viewers, for all of my subscribers, that it's holding time, it's not a selling time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.